It finally happened, guys. It finally happened. This dude, Jon Jones, is retired. He officially ran from Tom Aspinall. Couldn't be more excited. Today, Sam and I are going to be discussing the retirement of the fraud himself, Jon Jones. He's done holding up the heavyweight division. Earth is healing. Nature is making a comeback. The good guys win once in a while. I'm pretty ecstatic. Sam, how you feeling, bro?
Oh, I'm happy to know. Oh my god, it's just so amazing. We don't have to talk about this guy ever again. He's a cancer to the UFC. He's a cancer to the MMA. I'm so glad he's gone. Oh my god. Now we can finally move on of the heavyweight division. Heavyweight division. Yeah, I messed up too now. My turn. So we can finally move on, and now we can just let the go flowing now. Because I'm tired of this logjam of heavyweight. We don't even know who's gonna fight next. These guys are literally suffering money wise because of Jon Jones, and now it's over. I'm so happy.
I saw a stat actually the other day that talked about he was 54 or like 90 days away from having the reign for the longest title, the longest champion in heavyweight history, about to fight Cain Velasquez. I think Cain fought 3 times in total, defended twice. Jones hasn't done none of that, bro. Like, he has fought one time. It's just, bro, I'm so happy. Like, DC went on and did a live reaction and was roasting him. It was beautiful. Bro, he was holding, like you said, he was holding up the division. We didn't really know what was happening. Heavyweight is already in a very weak place.
Horrible.
This weekend we saw that one Rizvan versus
Curtis Blades.
Curtis Blades.
That guy actually won.
He beat him.
Yeah.
I mean, I know officially Blades robbed him, which is crazy, but the heavyweight needs some work. So it already needs work at its base. Like, there's already a lot of problems, and then you have the champion who's talking, I don't want to fight nobody. Yeah, whatever, bro. He's scared, and it's great.
I'm a company man, Well,
Yeah.
if you're a company man, wouldn't it be good for the company for you to fight Tom Aspinall?
Bro, he's not a company man. He's all about ego, all about himself. I saw a clip, and I'm sure all of you have seen it too. It's of Jon Jones and Aspinall. They meet each other, and Aspinall's like, "What's up, man?" And Jon Jones is like ego challenging him, and he's like watching him. He's like, "What's up?" And then Tom puts his hand on him. He's like, "What's up, bro?" And then he's like, "Get off me." And I despise everything about that man, bro. Like, this man, I can tell you what. This man, Tom, has never hit a pregnant woman and left. He's never hid under a ring for 7 to 12 hours. It's just cinema what we're seeing now.
Well, guess what? Tom also hasn't done anything recently, like what John is going through. He got in a car accident. He was drunk with a girl half naked.
Yeah, exactly. Bro.
As John's gonna be John forever. I don't even know what's gonna happen with his post retirement. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, he's gonna go crazy. He's gonna be like Conor. You saw Conor the other day?
He punched some dude.
He knocked him
He
out.
finally got a knockout in like 5 years.
Oh no, he also knocked out another old man in a bar not too long ago, a couple years ago. But yeah, bro, it's just like we finally get some movement, some flow going. Yeah, man. So now that the heavyweight division finally has that movement, and we actually have a future doesn't include Jon Jones, the crackhead king. What do you want to see next, man? Like, what do you want to see? Who do you want to see Tom fight?
First, I want to remove the GOAT trophy from him. He's out of here. Hey, get him out of here. He's done. And for Tom, he's gonna fight Cyril Gane next. It's kind of obvious. I hope he fights soon because he says he's gonna be active, which is great to see.
Yeah.
So Gane, it'll probably be next. It'll be hopefully Jelton Almeida.
Yeah.
Because he can wrestle. He's not a good puncher, but Jelton Almeida. I know. It's like, damn, bro. Jelton Almeida would be next. Yeah, I know. The heavyweight divisions.
Not in the best spot, but it's in a better spot now that John's gone. Jelton Almeida, to get back to your point, that guy's a can. Free win for Tom. I'm a big Tom fan. I want to see him get some freaking rings under his belt. So cinema, I like that. Gone, I think that'd be a great fight. They have beef. Remember where they were ducking each other, talking trash?
No, he wasn't ducking. Tom wasn't ducking.
No, but he wanted to fight, and then Gone to give it to him because he's like, I'm gonna. And now Tom's giving him that same energy. Now we actually have some leverage, and hopefully we see. Give Curtis Blades another freaking shot.
He got knocked out. One more thing is, I hope that he beats Gane, because if Gane beats Tom somehow, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna come back. This weasel is gonna come back, John. Yeah, to beat Gane and say, "Oh, look, see, Tom was trash all along."
Yeah. No, I could definitely see that happening. But for sure, guys, that's gonna do it for another one. We appreciate you guys stopping by and chatting with us. We'll see you guys next time. Again, if you're not already subbed, drop us a sub. We would appreciate it. Peace.